Hi everyone. Today, let me just go a little bit more about ATOMY EP Skin Booster. There are several people who actually have purchased and giving a tried it already, and there are many people wants to know a little bit more about this product before they are making a final purchase. So there are many people are looking for self-home care. Self-home care like skin devices, and there are so many choices, but we Atomians we are proud with our product, and Atomy always promise to provide us with a top quality product. So there you go. Atomy have introduced the Atomy EP Skin Booster. So definitely our choice will be this EP Skin Booster. But let's find out what is so special about this EP Skin Booster, so which we can use it at home to make our skin look younger and prettier. So this EP Skin Booster, which I have it for myself already. So electroporation. So EP stands for electroporation. So as I have translated what we have written down in Korean, Atomy Korean website, patented electroporation technology and Atomy's proprietary solution maximize the skin permeability of Atomy cosmetic ingredients and are directly injected through the skin cell membrane, regardless of the polarity of the cosmetic. And this product comes with 3 levels of intensity adjustment according to the individual usage pattern. And it has also function for the thermal and the vibration. So it improves the skin penetration of cosmetic active ingredients through its thermal function, and it relieves skin tension and revitalizes skin with its vibration function. And after I go over a bit of an EP Skin Booster explanation, I will show you exactly how you can change the mode and where you will be seeing a different color mode. And this comes with the 4 different modes available according to the skin condition. And I will explain you a bit later what are those 4 modes this EP Booster comes with. So once you turn on the machine, there are 4 choices, 4 different modes you can choose from. And those 4 choices according to which skincare you are using it. So when you are using this, picking this blue color, it is wise to use for the all different types of skincare. If you're not really sure which color you should use for, your best answer will be just pick blue, because blue will be okay to use for all different types of skincare that you are using. But specifically, if you are using synergy ampule, it will be ideal for you to use code 0, right? Advanced hydration ampule. When you're using code 0, it will be wise for you to also use this blue mode. And each mode have its suggested time, and you don't need to time it. You don't need to have a clock in front of you when you are using it, because this machine already timed up with its suggested time. So for blue, as soon as you turn on blue, you will last for 5 minutes. So once you keep on massaging to your face, and if it's done automatically, it means that 5 minutes has been passed. So next jump to white color. So when you're using a skincare, so if you are using a skincare which will brighten your skin tone or regenerating your skin cells, it will be wise for you to pick this white color. And when you are using Synergy Ampule, when you're using code 0, Beta Luminous, and when you're using code 3, Miracle Rejuvenating Ampule, it will be wise for you to use this white mode. Okay, so let's jump to purple mode. So this purple mode, it's wise to use for when you're using a skincare, which will help with the elasticity. So which is a code 2 from Atomy Synergy Ampule. So the function for this purple color is to help with the fast absorption, right? So you increase the absorption rate and also massage through your skin to help with that elasticity. So last mode comes with the EP Booster. It's red color. So red color, it doesn't really have a specific function except it kind of warms up. The device itself kind of warms up that normal temperature. So we normally generally help with the absorbs, right? It really helps skincare to penetrate the layer of our skin. So those are the 4 different modes comes with this EP Skin Booster. And all the times that you see over here, it's already timed up already has been programmed on the EP booster, so you don't really have to time yourself when you're using different modes. And this is what has been tested already. So as you'll know, all different types of skincare or any product that ATOMY are introducing, they have been tested. Even our ATOMY skincare set has been tested, so you can also see how ATOMY skincare has been changed the appearance of the person who has been using it. So this one has been done not by ATOMY, it has been by the third party. And by using ATOMY EP Skin Booster, what other benefit, like what other effect actually they are seeing it. So in terms of absorption rate, when they are not using, so compared to when they're not using EP Skin Booster and when they are using EP Skin Booster, absorption rate increased to 2.3, 2.23. Over here is a penetration depth. So when you are not, right, when you're using and when you're not using, actually, it is 1.3 times higher. It penetrates to the deepest layer of your skin. So you can see the huge difference by using EP Skin Booster, how much of the actual ingredient from ATOMY Skincare or Synergy Ampoule can really absorb to your skin and penetrate the deep layer of your skin for you to really see the difference by using ATOMY Skincare set. And people who's been, so there must be some people who already have a home devices, and they might ask, okay, what is the difference, different technology which has been used for ATOMY EP Skin Booster. So most of the people who have been using the technology called galvanic. So galvanic is, we can simply say by continuously applying a low voltage. So that's the difference between electroporation. So by you applying a low voltage, the ionized component of cosmetic penetrate the skin mainly through sweat gland and pores. So it needs to find a way to penetrate ingredient from a skincare. But on the other hand, electroporation, that's the new technology that ATOMY has been introduced with this EP Skin Booster. And so you can see the difference from this two diagram. It doesn't have to look for sweat gland or the pores. It will just gently penetrate through your skin. So by applying high voltage, that's a difference with a galvanic technology. So by applying a high voltage for a very short time, it instantly disturbs the lipid that make up the stratum corneum and penetrate a cosmetic ingredient. So this one just simply explains what is the difference between galvanic technology and the electroporation. So this diagram actually explains how our skin actually reacts when we are using EP Skin Booster. So first picture actually shows when we are not using, you are just applying ATOMY Skincare or even Synergy Ampoule without EP Skin Booster, just with our hands. So when we are doing that, you know the level, the depth, how much it can really go down or penetrate to our skin. But by adding EP Skin Booster, this device, it can help to penetrate deeper layer, and then absorption can be larger than when we are just using our hand. So you can see the huge difference between when you're using an EP booster and when you're not using a EP Skin Booster. Just by using EP Skin Booster, this amazing device, you can actually make all the skincare you're using absorb better, right? Absorb better, and it will be able to help to correct all the issues that you have for your skin. So now let me show you how you can change the mode and what actually you'll be seeing on this device, and how you will feel the vibration mode and what are the things you should be doing and you shouldn't be doing it. So I'll be right back.
I am back with the actual EP Booster skin device, and let me just go over what I have just explained from the slide. So when you unbox this EP Booster, I won't be able to show you today because I've been using this product for several months and I'm enjoying it so much. So when you open up the box, you will get this machine and you will also get a charger. You will get the charger, comes with the machine, and my suggestion to you, just put it separately, save place, because you're not gonna use any other charger to charge this machine. You will be charging with the charger comes with the box. And this machine, very simply designed. So there are two different buttons. So when I press this one, I'm not sure whether you were able to hear the sound. So you will actually hear the sounds with the color coming in. So as soon as you start the machine, you will see the blue color, and blue color actually go for all different types of skincare set. And in Synergy Ampule, blue color actually goes well with this hydration, right? Code 0. So when you are using each mode, it has a 3 different levels. So you will actually see the color change over here. So it's a second level and it's a third level. And where you'll be able to change the mode button over here, it says M. So it has a blue mode and white mode. So whenever you are using the brightening skincare and anything that revitalizes your skin, that's the mode that you will be using, white. And from Synergy Ampule, when you're using code 1, Bitaluminous, and when you're using code 3, that's when you'll be using this white mode, and it comes with a purple mode too. Purple mode is for when you're using Synergy Ampule code 2. So when you're using code 2, it will be advisable for you to use this purple mode, and all different mode comes with the 3 different levels, and which I just went over from the slide, that it also comes with the red, and red, it device itself, bit like when I touch it, it's warmer. It's a bit warmer than rest of the mode. And just by warming it up, when I apply with my skincare, it will actually generally helps to absorb better on the skin. So in order for you to try it, you need to apply generous amount of any types of skincare or even EP booster to your skin. So let's say I do have this code 0 with me, and apply to your skin. So you see that it's dripping, and do you hear the sound? So I'm not really pressuring, I'm just basically touching the skin. So I'm not pressuring on my skin, I'm gently massaging upward. So that's how you should be using it. And when you're using level 1, you don't really hear the sound that much. Level 2 and level 3. So you notice that the vibration, the density becomes stronger. So you need to do upward. That's how you'll be using. So you don't do zigzag, so try to put upward, because you will also want to remove all the wrinkles, and it also wants to help with the lifting. So same thing with on the other hand, on the other side of your face also. And when you look at our machine over here, ending part, this is the part where you'll be using for the sensitive areas, right? And when you're using on the forehead, upward also, that way. So every time it touches on my skin, you can see that, you can hear it creates a vibration sound. Applying on the other face also, you see that my Synergy Ampule is dripping, so going upward. And this part I'll be using this tip of it over here. That's what I'll be using it. So that's how, basically, it's very simple. You don't really need a special technique or special way of using it. Basically, that's how you use EP Skin Booster. And it's just touching on my hand, you will hear the vibration sound. And for the people who are using this blue mode, they have felt that it feels like an electric shock when it comes to this area, and when it comes to your forehead. I mean, that's the experience that I had it. So I usually apply it like a little bit more of a cream or anything on that area. So when I do that, actually the feeling of electric shock has been kind of reduced a bit. And you also need a time for your skin to get used to this EP Skin Booster. So it will be advisable for you start with step 1. step 1 and gradually increase to step 3. So as I mentioned, I've been using this EP booster for quite a while. So even now I'm using level 3. My skin is pretty okay, but I heard it from some people who started with the cool 3. They feel a bit of irritation of using it. We want to use this EP Skin Booster to help our skin condition, not to make it up. There are not much tips which I want to share, but always remember going upward. So you're not going zigzag with this one, so you want to go upward to lift your skin and make this serous ampoule or any types of skincare to penetrate better on your skin. And to turn it off, easy. Same way where you press it to power up, just by pressing. You notice that with a sound, the color goes off, and clean this head part before you're storing it away. And how will you know it's a time for you to charge this EP booster? You will notice that after around 20 times of using it, you will notice that there is the red color will blink at the back. It is an indication that you need to charge this EP booster. So as I mentioned, don't forget, don't use any other charger. Just use the charger comes with this machine. So everyone, enjoy using this EP Skin Booster.